Hello, Lonyesa. Let's go shopping here. They have everything like for, not everything for like animal stuff and like some home stuff like this. And then the golf cart is over there, right there. And let's go inside, check it out. Oh, see, for animal vaccine. Nice. They have a lot of soil, gardening. It's a welcome. This is in Brentwood. Oh, horsey. Candy. Are those candy for human or animal? I'm not sure. Then they have like, it's like a countryside, so you know, have to have food, clothing for mountain. I like that. This is the most countryside of place I ever been. But this candle smells so good. I'm here to buy chicken feed. They have dog food, that's the dog section. Oh, look at that doggy. Yep. And then over here, they have stuff like this. Dog food, cat toy. Some more dog food. Hey, check that out. See, they even have like a horsey food on here. So nice. My first time coming here, but my sister, friend, they always come here to buy chicken food. Oh, oh, I do not know lamb. They eat this. Wow, see the chicken food. So what we do when we buy it, it will give you egg. This kind of food will give egg. I don't have cost. I can't believe it. Oh, look, some birdie over there. How you gotta get inside, birdie? How you gotta get inside? I make my little fan like this so that like my dog don't go and disturb my vegetables. Oh, look, danger, don't go there. Over here, some clearance that if you need, it's cheaper. This kind of store beside your pet food. I don't know what else is this. I don't know what to do with this. Like, if you give me this, I don't know what I'm going to do. I do not know what to do with none of this. None of this. See, I don't know what to do with this stuff. This stuff. But it looks like they have some home improvement stuff also. They're pretty big. They're pretty big. They have quite a lot of things. Oh.
Underneath one of the signs is a Sunoco.
Is this like a water hose? See, I don't know what to do with none of this stuff. This is not a store that a lot of women actually come here to shop. They know what they're doing. I think that they put this in my house. I don't know what's that for. Oh, for rabbit. Clean. Oh, to clean the. Oh, okay. This one maybe for the car. I know that much. And then over here look like this. Check out. Wow, look at that. And then over here look like this. So those are not for the car that we drive. I think it's for God Corp or the other car. What is this? Oh, this is like a two, huh? $2, see? $2. Sell those. Oh, they're expensive. They're 1,000 something. My brother tried to do away. And then we told him to sell for $50. If you put fee, nobody want. But if you put $50, so many people messaging you like, is it still available? It's still available. Oh, they have bathroom in case you guys need to use the bathroom. Wow, this store actually big. We need that for tire. Cool. Wow. Sorry, yeah, I don't know what's that for. I love the color. I don't know what they do. So a lot of handyman, they know what they're doing here. A lot of handy women, they know what they're doing here. But I'm here just for the chicken food only. Oh, those are the size to put in your house. It's nice. Oh, my father loved to collect this stuff. This stuff reminds me of my father. I don't know why he collect those for. Oh, this is by bolt, huh? I thought all this thing called nail until the city told me to go buy bolt, and I told him to spell it out and write it down. And when I went to Home Depot, and then Home Depot showed me what to buy, and then that's how the city approved my house. He's selling some Christmas stuff, and then over here have some more things. So nice. Ooh, what are those things for? This thing is like a tool to open something, but this stuff, I don't know what it do. Is it dangerous? Is it scary? It's USA. Made in USA. Oh, is it generator or air compressor? I don't know what air compressor do. Oh, this must be expensive because they lock it. See, we have lock. Anything locked, I assume it's expensive. Flat, USA flat. I like that. See, 75% off and also out except one. Let's take a look over here. Gloves, boot. My stepmom have some and I tried. It won't fit me because she's a small size. My father had all this, so I don't need to buy it because my dad already have everything. My dad have everything. And then this area is for the fire, I guess. And this is like a charcoal, I guess. Oh my goodness. This stick is the thing that you see in a scary movie, like they try to kill someone. But I don't know what they for. They're expensive. I always see this stuff from movie only, like scary movie, but I never see it in real life. Look, a lot. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna go check out. We already paid for it, and this is the stuff that we bought for our chicken. And then let's go. Oh, those are good for winter time. This area is super cold when it's winter and super hot when it's summer. See, this is stuff too long here. Cut the grass. Those things up there are cute too. And all this, I don't know what it's for. I do not know what it's for. What it do. Oh, this one is that I see on the street when a man walking. Huh? Okay. And then, just for fun, I really want one of this. This one is like after tax pay 9,000. I really want of this so for fun. Look at that, 6,000. The blue color. And look at the back side. Oh, the back side have like someone can sit on the back too. Oh, this one is taller. That's like it's 9,000. But how do you get up there? I think those are fun to drive. Oh, look at the back. That car, I like that car, the red car. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm leaving now. Bye bye from Brentwood, California.